Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove Capcut watermark. So in Capcut, by default, if you start a new project, so if you start a new project like this, at the end of the videos, there will be this Capcut watermark, and if you want to remove it, you can just easily click on the watermark and tap on delete. But it gets starting because every time you start a new project, the watermark will always be there. So if you want to remove it permanently, you need to close the project first and go to the settings of CapCut. So go to the Me options at the bottom, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, and in here you can just click on this add default ending options. Just disable it and click on discard. So let's go back and try to create a new project again and see if the watermark will still there. So just click on add. Let's go to the end of the clip. So as you guys can see here, there is no watermark, Capcut watermark again. So that's how you can remove Capcut watermark. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.